Hello, welcome again. Last time we created order, and in this video we'll manage the orders. We'll display what are the orders, okay, and what are the item inside those orders. So first, let's do that. So I will make for admin, where admin can manage all the products. We'll discuss about how we can do for customer as well. We can use same view for the customer as well. So first, let's go to order.php. So what I figure it out here is we are using the card facade and we are not importing that. Okay, so if you are importing this, you don't need to change anything, just move on. If you are not using this card facade, just use this. Alright, so after that, so we need to create a view where admin can see all the orders as well as order item. So we'll do that in our controller. Okay, let's create order controller. Let's open order controller. Okay, first I'll create a method orders. So what this method will do is this will display all the orders that are not delivered. Okay, order where delivered equals to 0. So orders that are not delivered. Okay, we can give name pending orders. Actually what we can do is we can, so for example, if we want to get all the orders or all the delivered orders, okay, so we don't need to create other method, we'll just do in this. So we'll pass the type variable, so its default value will be empty. So if type equals to pending, so if we want to see the pending orders, we'll display like this. And else if type is delivered, we'll display where delivered equals to 1. Else if nothing is passed, we will display all orders. So after that we'll return view. So we'll name it, so inside admin we'll create a view called orders. So we'll pass this data compact orders. Alright, let's create that variable inside admin. Okay, here our layout is done. So now in this view we got this variable called orders. So this contains all the orders, and we can access the order items in those orders. Okay, so I will display orders in list for now. So unordered list, and for each orders as order. Okay, for each orders as order, we'll display the list item, where let me first end this for each. So here inside order, each list item will contain the orders. So inside list item, we want to display who made the order. First, name of person. Yeah, you can display whatever. So for now I will display let's create s2 tag and order by. I will display the name of person who made the order. So order. Okay, let's see inside what method we have defined for. Okay, we defined. We haven't defined relation, inverse relation between order and the user. Okay, so let's go to user. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. So here I've defined this method where this will say this user has many orders. Similarly, we need to define in order so that we can track who created the order. Okay, inverse relation. So I will create just below this new method called order. Okay, so this order belongs to user class. So let's go back to orders.blade. So here order, now we can access order customer. So we can display customer name. Okay, let's first test this. If it is working, then we'll proceed. Let's go to web.php and define this newly created route. So we'll define that inside our this admin. Okay, so I will create get I will call this admin slash orders. And it will point to order controller @ orders. Okay, so one more thing, since we are passing parameter, we need to pass it here type. This parameter is optional, so we need to put this sign in front of it. Okay, so now with that set, let's go to this route. Let's check. Okay, we don't need to put admin in front, I think. Yeah, so we are prefixing with admin already. So orders slash type. Let's go to admin. First let's login with admin. Okay, once we are in, let's go to orders. Okay, here I want to tell you one thing. So previously I've used name customer, so we need to use the relation, so name of method same as the model name, okay, user. So here inside our order split, change this customer to user and then name. Okay, so now let's test this out. Let's go to admin slash orders. Okay, order by taste. Okay, so name was taste, so both order by one customer. Okay, now we need to display the, actually this is bigger, let's make it H4. Here we will display our items, so we'll create a table for that. So table with class table, and this row will display first name of product. Yeah, we'll name, quantity, and price. Okay, so this will be the header. So if you go to admin orders, you can see, so now this row here will be filling data. So what we'll do is we'll loop through for each loop, for each order items. Okay, so order items will get us all the item in this order, and as item next we'll get pivot quantity. Okay, so this is how you access the value in the pivot table. Okay, and quantity we are storing in our pivot table. If you go to this order product pivot table, so here is quantity. So next we'll access the price, so price of each product, and so name is total. Okay, so let's use that total. Let's refresh once again. Yeah, okay, so make this table bordered. Okay, so now we are getting the price. You can give more details about product here. For now, just we are giving order by taste. Why not let's make it like, okay, order by this, total price of order is inside orders table. You can get it like here, total. can keep br tag here. All right. Okay, you can make it look more cooler. Okay, so for now this is okay. So we are getting the order and the item in order. Okay, so you can add here. So okay, let's add a navigation here, order. So we'll do that in header. Okay, that is side nav here. So this is for category. I'll just duplicate this and orders, and here pending orders. So we'll keep it URL. So admin slash orders slash pending. Similarly for delivered all. So delivered. And for all orders we don't need to pass anything. All orders. Yeah, so that looks good. So here pending orders, delivered orders. Okay, now let's create a checkbox so that using that we can toggle whether it is delivered or not delivered. All right, so we'll just below this order we'll create a form. So action will direct it to route called toggle.delivered, which we'll define now in a moment. So we'll have to pass the order ID. Similarly, method will be post, and input type will be checkbox, value will be 1, and name will be delivered. All right. Okay, that's cool. And we need to pass CSRF field as well. And let's make a label saying delivered. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so we can keep class pull right. Okay, so yeah, with that said, let's go to order controller. So here I've already created this method. Just create this toggle deliver and this request and with this order ID. So first we'll find the order with this order ID, which will we are passing from our form here. Okay, and we'll after finding order we'll make the delivered equals to whatever the value in our checkbox. So that is 1, and we'll save that and redirect users back. Similarly, in web.php inside your this admin route, okay, here just define the post route like this. Okay, and I will given the name toggle.deliver. Give the same name which you used here. Alright, so yeah, this is pointing. So now everything is set. One more thing. Okay, so our form is ready. We have put the submit button with the checkbox. Let's check how it looks. Yeah, so it looks good. Let's check this out. Submit. Yeah, so let's do here once again. Okay, so it's working fine. So what we need to add one thing more. So if it already got value 1, we need to make it checked. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so if order delivered equals to 1, we'll make this checked, otherwise we'll put just null. So let's go to order controller, and here what we can do is, so if request has, so only if it has delivered, we'll put that. Okay, otherwise what we'll do is else order otherwise we'll put just 0 in that field. Okay, so now we can make it delivered or not delivered. So if you go to all orders page, yeah, so this is delivered, this is not delivered. You can see on pending orders only one, and in delivered this one. And if you want to make it delivered, sorry, undelivered, now you can see 2 items in pending. Yeah, so this is how you manage orders. So this is the simple way to manage order. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.